Okay, open your legs. Are you ready? I know. Bring the pants up. T-shirt down. Ready? Shoulders down, back. Good. And contract your glutes. Let's go again. Down. Exhale up. Listen to your knee joint. You don't need to go very deep. We're still warming up the legs. Again for 4. Yeah. In 3. Keep your chest up. In 2. And 1 more. We're going to stay. Little pulses for 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Are we feeling it? Not enough. Keep going again. 4. You said no. March it out. Inhale again. Exhale. 1 more time. Up. Good. And release. Lunges. Let's keep your right leg in front. You're going to go straight down and straight up. So keep the chest up, shoulders back. Let's go down to inhale. Exhale up. And again, down to inhale. Exhale up. That's it. You can use one finger on your chair to help you with balance. Push forward and march. Okay, we're going to switch your legs. Let's keep your left. Shoulders down and back. You can bring your up as well. Let's go straight down to inhale. Exhale up. Listen to your knee joint. It's okay to do baby one. Yeah. And 1 more. That's it. Push forward and march. And again, up the touch. Good job, Julie. Put the finger again on your chair. You're going to do the one on our left, your glute and your core. One finger on your chair. Let's go down to inhale. Exhale up. So you're moving as a straight line. And slowly come back. I know. This is a good balance one. You're working your outer side, the opposite leg. Working your glutes. Your core. If you squeeze your shoulder blades together, you're going to work your upper back. Are you breathing? And release and march. Inhale, just in case you were not breathing. Exhale, 1 more time. Up to inhale. That's it. And let's switch your leg. Again, you can switch sides. Put one finger on your chair. Shoulders are down and back. Squeeze. Let's go down. Hinge the hips. Hey, Judy's coming. Good one. And last one. And release and march. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more time up to inhale. Okay, we're going to stay nice and tall. Ready? We're going to lift the legs like 10. Let's go. Who's counting? Who's counting? Judy? Okay. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. 4. Okay. Okay. I don't want to see that either. I want you to stay nice and tall. I'm not moving my upper body. Done? Okay. And march. Okay, let's do the same thing with the other leg. Head. Let's go. So stay nice and tall. I'm not moving from my belly button all the way to my nose and the tip of my head. This is her bubble. 4, 3, how many? 2, and release and march. Inhale. Inhale up. Exhale. And again, one more time up. Good. And slowly release. Okay. Grab your water. Keep your legs moving. We're gonna grab your weight. I'm going to show you options as you know. You can leave maybe your weights on your chair. What I'm going to do here, we're going to do option 2 with one weight. Option 1, right here. You're going to bring your arms right here in front of you. For some people, that's enough. Okay? Option 2, right here. And you're going to bring your arm up and you're going to squeeze. Option 3, with both weights. And I want to see them vertical. You're going to do the V again, V shape, with your arms up and down. Okay, so choose your option. Option 1, no weights. Option 2, 1. Option 3, you're going to bring both weights up. Good. Now you need to breathe. Inhale. Exhale, keeping the shoulders down in the pocket the entire time. Yeah? Can we do one more? Good. And slowly release. Come right here, and we're just going to bring your arms up the back. So we're going to do the opposite muscle. Let's go. Shoulders down and back. Lift. Nice and slow. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale. Now, if you want to make it a little bit harder, you can lift one leg at the back. Keeping the hips square, just in case you want to work harder. Some of you are no-do. There we go. Switch your legs. Same thing. 4, 3. Do you feel it? I'm losing my balance. I'm looking at you. Do you feel it? No? Oh, okay. Let's go back. Same thing. You choose your option. Let's go up and down. Squeeze your glutes. Inhale. Exhale and squeeze. That's it. 4 and 3. Imagine I'm giving you a chair. You need to sit on the chair behind you. 2. Last one. Good. And slowly right here again. Same thing. Up and down. Lat pull. So feel the work at the back of your shoulders and triceps. You can go again one leg. Exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. Yeah, keep your back nice and tall. Switch your legs. Yep. One more. Good. And release and march. Ha! Option 1 right here. If you have problem with your shoulders, you can also do it here. Option 2, option 3, and if you can reach, but you don't have problem with your shoulders. Okay? Ready? I'm going to go with option 3. Let's go. Up and down. Inhale, exhale up. That's it. So when you reach, please keep your shoulders down. I want to see your ears. I want to see your diamonds. Good. And show me the palm of your hand. That's it. Let's do again. One more right here. And release. Roll and triceps. Roll, tricep kick back. We're going to do again your triceps. And again, if you want to do one leg, please go ahead. Yeah, so hinge from the hips. You really need to hinge from the hips. Work against gravity here. 4, 3. Are we starting to feel it? Okay. And one more right here. Good job. And slowly release and come up. We're going to go back. Option 1, 2, or 3 above your head. Like that. Ready? With the other leg. Let's go. Inhale down. Exhale up. Again, keep your shoulders down. Exhale. Yeah. Inhale. Exhale. In 4, 3, 2, and last one. That's it. Let's focus just on your rows. This time, I'd like you can open your elbows wide, just like that. So palms are facing your thighs, shoulders down away from your ears. Let's do just your rows. Inhale, exhale. If you want to do one leg again, please go ahead. 8, 7, yeah. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Take your time. Bring your elbows behind your back, behind you. All ready? Ready? 2, and good. And slowly release and rotate your shoulders. How are we feeling? Oh. Let's go. Lunges. Shoulders down and back. Ready? Lift the chest. Down. Up. Turn your palms facing your thighs. Down. Bicep curls. Keep your elbows by your ribs. Down and up. Exhale up. Do you remember this one? It's part of your biceps. We're going to feel it right in the forearms. So keep your palms down. And when you're up, show me the palm of your hands. Again, for 4, go straight down. Go straight down. That's it. 2 more. And last one, we're going to stay down. Can we? Little pulses. 8, 7. How many? Open your shoulders. Chest. I can hear you. Erica, forward. March, 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 march. How many legs do we have? So, one. Okay, let's switch. This time, we're going to keep your weights vertical. We're going to do this biceps. Ready? Straight down to inhale. Exhale up. Inhale straight down. Exhale up. Good. You go straight down. Keep your chest up. Show me your belly button. Good. 4, 3. How many? You're awake now. Now let's go straight down and pulses. Shoulders down and back. Let's go. 8. How many? I can hear you. What? I can barely hear you. 1. And release. Okay, let's put your weight down. Let's have water. And grab your elastic. We're almost done here. Almost done. Sweet Caroline. Do we have another Caroline in the class? Who? Where? What, Carol? Are you Caroline? No, Carol. So you're the only one. She doesn't want to be alone. Okay, bring your heels together. We're going to contract your glutes to emphasize that contraction. Okay? Reach up, shoulders down and back. Let's go straight down on your chest. I want to see the band touching your chest. Slowly up, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. That's it. And again, up. And 4, 3. How many? It's hot in here. And 1. And slowly release and rotate your shoulders. We're going to go back to shoulders, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. Rotator cuff. Oh, my butt is coming around the corner. We can wave at him. He loves it. He's around the corner. He's coming. See? We made his day. So elbows by your side, and I know, it's sweet, it's very sweet. So elbows by your side, and let's open right here. I like you can work your balance. You know you can keep your toes on the floor, but you can also bring your foot off the floor. Choose your option. Elbows are staying by your side. Palms up. Inhale. Exhale to open. Inhale. Exhale to open. That's it. Switch your legs. Elbows are staying here. Elbows are staying here. Yep, there we go. 3. How many? Yeah, and good. Let's have water. Grab your mat or your chair. Bye, Ruth. Okay, let's go on your all fours. You can do the same thing standing behind your chair. So, Lindy, on your chair, you're going to do the bird dog. Opposite arm and the leg. Okay? Here, my friends. Okay? You're going to choose the opposite leg and the arm. So, I'm going to start with my right. Engage your shoulders and your core. And then, if you can, bring your left arm. And then we're going to go out to inhale. Exhale to come back. So, I'm moving my arm and my leg. Little bit out, challenge more my core, and then I'm going to come back. So you just need to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Can we do one more? Good. And release, switch your legs. Same thing on the chair, switch legs and arms. So shoulders engaged. Abs. When you're ready, feeling strong, bring your arm by your ear. And then you can move as well. Challenge your balance. Challenge your core. 4. 3. How many? Oh, yeah. And 1. And slowly release. We're going to go back again. You can do the same thing on the chair. Bring the elbow to your knee. Behind your chair, okay? I'm going to go back with my right. My right, your right. And I'm going to crunch slowly. Inhale to extend. Exhale to crunch. So try to go slow. I know, it's not easy. Oh no, I was taking this one. That way you're working more your core. Okay, switch your arms and legs. You cannot hear me? Switch your arms and legs. Inhale. Exhale. Let's go again to crunch. Slow inhale. Exhale to crunch. And 2. Last one. That's it. And slowly release. Let's go right on your back. Right on your back. You can do the same thing sitting on your chair. Shoulders down and back. Abs tight. Okay? And bring your lower back against the mat. Bring one leg and then both legs up. And then you're going to bring one heel at a time slowly down on your mat. Exhale down, inhale up. Yep. That's it. Again for 4, 3, 2, and good. And slowly release. How are we feeling? We're good? Are you ready to stretch?